How can I draw my family closer together? This is a question we often ask ourselves as parents when we wonder what we can do to make our family stronger and more closely knit. Does this look like your family on a Saturday morning? Kids playing near each other but not really together? I believe that if we can bring our family outdoors and encourage them to participate in family recreational activities, that we can indeed draw closer together. My name is Heather Simpson. I am the mother of 4 teenagers, and I've been parenting for 19 years, and today I'd like to share some of my thoughts with you about drawing your family closer together. So we'll talk for a minute about the challenges that we all face as we try to do this. We'll also talk about some examples of things that you can do with your family, and we'll cover the benefits that you can expect to receive as you engage in wholesome, fun outdoor activities. So first we'll talk about the challenges. Most families are working on a fixed income, limited money available to them, and so that as they're raising children, which is a costly endeavor, it is hard to spend money on activities because there are so many other things that we need to spend money on. I believe that if you go to the internet and do a search for inexpensive outdoor activities, that you will find many options for you that will fit your interests and your age range. A second challenge that we all face in finding outdoor activities is time. But as we all live on the planet Earth, we each have the same amount of time, 24 hours every day, to do what we need to do. We live on a dirt road and we track in a lot of dirt in our house. I find that if I sweep every day, I pick up the same amount of dirt as I would if I swept every other day. So occasionally we leave the sweeping behind and we go outside and we play. That dirt is going to be there the next day and we can pick it up then. Today I'm going to play. The third challenge that I see that we face as we look for outdoor activities is geography. I live in the Lakes region, so I can walk to the beach with my family and swim for free. Not everybody has that option, and so using the internet, you can look for outdoor activities in your area that are available to you for free or a little cost. So really it depends on where you're living and what is available to you, but again, the internet can help you to discover those types of activities that will be good for your family. So the next thing we'll talk about are some examples of good activities for your family. First, go to the library book and check out a book about the constellations. And then when it turns nighttime, have your family out on the lawn and lay down a blanket in the grass and teach your children about the stars and where they are and what their names are. This is a great activity. Another activity is playing a game of ball out in the yard. If you live in the city, you can go to a park. You can always go find a field at a playground or at a school playground. So there are lots of options for playing ball no matter where you live. Another option is go for a walk or a hike. Again, this can be done in the city or it can be done if you live in the country. You can always take a walk with your children. Another option that is fun, go to the dog park and watch other people play with their dogs. Even if you don't have a dog, you can have fun watching dogs play. It's a great activity. Backyard camping is another option. If you live in the city and you can't go backyard camping, set up the tent in your living room and enjoy a night of camping in your own house or apartment. That can be a lot of fun. And lastly, hopscotch. And this one is definitely good for the city. We live on a dirt road, so we can't play hopscotch. But if you live in the city or anywhere where there's a sidewalk, then you can play hopscotch with your kids, and it's very inexpensive and lots of fun. It's recreational and it's very inexpensive. So let's talk about the benefits of outdoor recreational activities. When you are spending time with your family outside, you have an increased opportunity to teach them about the world around them. The time that you spend with them decreases time they're spent with other people. So as a parent, you have a greater influence on their lives. You help them to gain life experiences and to understand the world around them and to appreciate and understand nature. And those are important things. So today we've talked about the challenges for drawing your family closer together through wholesome recreational activities. We've given some examples of activities that you can do to draw your family closer together, and we've talked about the benefits of drawing your family closer together. So, the next time that you see your kids doing this on a Saturday morning, plan a fun family outdoor activity. Are there any questions?